Hi, this is Chris from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we will be discussing the insulation and energy efficiency of a Hydropool signature hot tub. More specifically, we will be covering what are the most common types of hot tub insulation, how are Hydropool signature hot tubs insulated, and what are the operating costs of a Hydropool signature hot tub. Can you rapidly change the temperature? Let's take a closer look. What are the most common types of hot tub insulation? There are really two schools of thought here. Full foam insulation is exactly as it sounds. The entire hot tub is filled with foam inside the cabinet. It's a decent concept. In fact, Hydropool used it from 1992 to 1996. The benefits are outweighed by the fact that the plumbing and parts are fully covered in foam, making service extremely difficult. Perimeter insulation is almost the opposite of full foam. The cabinet is insulated, leaving the plumbing and parts accessible for service. Hydropool used this system from 1996 to 2000. It was abandoned because there was no support of the plumbing, and in warmer climates, equipment was prone to overheating. How are Hydropool's signature hot tubs insulated? Hydropool's exclusive Hydro-Wise thermal shield technology is an evolution of what we've learned in the past. Our self-cleaning technology filters 100% of the water in only 15 minutes, which means filtration cycles can be dramatically reduced compared to standard filtration systems, which is obviously going to save you money. The less the tub is operating, the less it's going to cost you to operate. Our Hydro-Wise Heat Shield hardcovers feature an insulated baffle in the fold area to prevent heat loss, and they're made to withstand Canadian winters. Next, we use a series of insulated thermal shield blankets. The first blanket hugs the plumbing, capturing the excess heat given off by all of the water running through that plumbing and the shell. The second resides on the interior of the cabinet, reflecting excess heat from the equipment to remain inside the hot tub. Finally, a third thermal shield blanket is applied to the base of the hot tub, keeping the cold out and really creating a hybrid heating technology. Our exclusive evergreen pumps are designed to provide a high flow of water with low energy consumption. Heat exchange vents are opened and closed seasonally, allowing excess heat to escape in warmer months and capturing that same excess heat in the winter months when it's so important. Finally, all Hydropool signature self-cleaning hot tubs are designed to meet or exceed strict California Energy Commission standards. What are the operating costs of a Hydropool signature self-cleaning hot tub? Well, if you look at most of all of the other manufacturers, they'll post a kilowatt per hour rating and advertise a very low monthly operating cost like $8 to $15 per month. But there's one major flaw in this method in that it doesn't take into consideration the actual usage and therefore is not reflective of the actual cost that you can expect. There are many factors that would determine your operating costs, including how often the hot tub is used and where you live. For example, if you were to use the hot tub daily, your operating costs would be higher than someone who only uses the hot tub twice per week. Operating a hot tub in a cold Canadian climate would cost more than someone living in Arizona or California. On average, including average usage of 3 to 4 times per week, you can expect average cost to be less than $1 a day throughout the year. Adjusting the temperature. So, if the hot tub is so well insulated, you must be able to adjust the temperature quickly, right? Well, this is a question we get asked all the time. Can I adjust the temperature up or down in the hot tub? You can increase the temperature very easily and quite quickly, usually about 5 to 8 degrees per hour, depending on the size of the hot tub and the heater. A 110 volt hot tub, like our Classic collection, will only heat the water 1 to 3 degrees per hour. This means it is completely normal to take 24 to 48 hours to heat the water from 50 degrees to 100. While our Serenity or Signature self-cleaning models will heat the water from 50 to 100 degrees in 6 to 8 hours. So let's say your Serenity or Signature hot tub was 98 degrees when you opened the lid. It would only take 15 to 20 minutes to reach 100 degrees with the lid closed, a little longer if the lid was open or if it was cool outside. This means hot tubs are really great at generating heat, but not so good at cooling down. If you wanted to run your hot tub a little cooler, you certainly could. However, it will be very difficult to do so if it was, say, 100 degrees outside. If your tub was currently set at 100 degrees and you wanted to lower the temperature to 90 degrees quickly, you wouldn't be able to do that without adding cold water or lots of ice. This is because the hot tubs do not come with an air conditioner, and if anything, it's a testament to how well insulated they are. So we've covered quite a bit just now, and we trust that you have a much better understanding of the following. What are the most common types of hot tub insulation? How are Hydropool's signature self-cleaning hot tubs insulated? What is the operating cost of a signature self-cleaning hot tub? And can you change the temperature rapidly? For more detailed information and frequently asked questions, check out the Hydropool University Learning Center on our website at hydropoolhottubs.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.